Welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll show you how you can upload or change your cover picture in Facebook. So once you have opened your Facebook application, simply click on the three vertical dots present at the top corner of your screen. Once you have clicked here, you can see the see your profile option under the menu. Simply click here and you can see that this is your current profile picture and this is the cover photo button. If you haven't added any cover photo, it will show you an option to add a cover photo. So to add a cover photo, simply click here and then you can see two options. Either you can choose to upload a new photo from your device, or you may also choose a cover photo which you have already uploaded on Facebook. So I will be using the first option, that is to upload a photo from my mobile device. So simply click on the upload photo button. Then what you need to do is navigate inside the gallery to that particular photo that you want to set it as your cover photo. So for example, in my case, I want this photo to be my cover photo. Now if you want to make some adjustment, for example, like if you want the bottom part to appear, you can simply drag down your photo using this page only. So if you want to make any adjustments after you are done adjusting your photo, you may simply click on this save button at the top right corner. Simply click on the save button and just refresh your profile page, and here you can see that your new cover photo has been successfully inserted. So that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one. If you like this video, make sure to hit the like button as well, comment on this video, share it, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.